All right. Hello again. Ashley Rose back here for another video. And actually, what we're going to do today is a makeup video. Now, this may seem a little far afield, as all my videos have been a little bit random, but I am trying things out and seeing what's fun. And as many of you probably know, I do enjoy makeup from time to time. I don't wear makeup every day by any means, and even in any of these previous videos, I haven't been wearing makeup at all. But it's a fun thing to do for special occasions, birthdays, whenever you're feeling it. So I thought that today I would show you how I do my makeup look. And this is a little disclaimer. I am not a makeup expert by any means. I will show you how I did it, but I really don't know a lot of the kind of like fancy professional sorts of things that people know. I have also not done makeup almost during this whole pandemic, but not since I got home to California, literally at all. So let's do this thing. All right, so this is my makeup bag. My first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some foundation. You know, we just put a little, little liquid foundation and dab it. I kind of just put it on like sunscreen, to be honest. You know, I'm not sure it's supposed to feel the same, but that's just kind of how it works for me. And so I think, like, in my view, the idea of foundation kind of like evens out your color, gets you a little less red, especially in my case. And it's not too thick, hopefully, but it'll kind of like be like even and not look super like cakey. And the other thing that some people do, I know, is concealer. And I am kind of on and off with concealer. And like my friends would say, the reason I don't know that much about concealer is because I like am lucky and I have good skin and I don't have to deal with it. And you know, I have pretty okay skin, so that's pretty nice. I remember the first time that I ever did makeup. I was in 7th grade preparing to be in a show, like a little like play, stories on stage. And my friend Lilith, who had been doing makeup for, you know, a while at that point and knew a lot about it, like her and her mom took me shopping and, you know, like went with me and helped me pick out all the different makeup things. All right. Pardon the interruption in the story, but I do think we're done with the foundation just about now. Okay, let's do. All right, so let's do that little bit of concealer. So it looks like this little thing. Tap it. I think that's kind of the only spot I really want it today. So just gonna kind of like spread it out, blend it in a bit, and there you go. So the other thing that is a little bit of a more recent addition to my routine is doing this like powder. I think it's especially good when you're gonna do pictures or be on camera or anything like that, because it kind of makes you a little less shiny, which hopefully we'll be able to see immediately with this. Yeah, that looks like not bad, right? All right, and then I generally just do that after the foundation, but again, I'm not an expert. But the next step is blush. So I'm gonna get out my brush and I'm gonna kind of brush it in my blush, blow it off a bit. Yeah, you don't want too much blush. That's a mistake I made a ton earlier on, like in high school, when I tried to put on makeup for pictures. I remember my, I think it was the sophomore year picture I had for my ID card and stuff. I was wearing so much blush and it was kind of a lot. But yeah, okay, so here we get into the especially fun part, eyeshadow. All right, so there's a lot of options actually for eyeshadow. So it depends, like, basically like the colors you're going for that day. I'm kind of thinking, for me, like a pink, like a light kind of subtle, not that subtle, but like a light pink is the color I go for my go-to. And it would match the earrings that I picked out for today with the little pink. So I'll probably go with something from this palette, which I like, but you also have lots of options. So I have this one, which I love, which is like greens. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Look at that. This is the thing. I love like eyeshadow palettes because they're really like sparkly often and really pretty, and I love that. And this is another newish one. Oh my gosh, look how pretty and sparkly that is. Like, how could you not like want that to put on your eyes? I like that it's called California Love, even though I got it in Minnesota, which I think is really funny. I do think today though we'll go with the basic pink, the Ashley makeup look. 1 second. Fluffy wanted to say hi again before I have her leave. Say hi, Fluffy. Yeah. Okay, let's go, Fluff. I'm gonna finish up my other story really quick that I had started. So my friend Lilith and her mom took me shopping to get makeup stuff. And honestly, a lot of the brands that they got me then and the colors and everything are just the same ones I use today. They got me started with that. So like this foundation, I've used the same foundation, same color pretty much like since 7th grade. But so yeah, they got me all that, and then I think we probably went back to her house and like tried out all the makeup on me, and I was like, oh my god, it looks so weird, because she did it for me and my eyes were like dark and like all this stuff because it was the first time I'd done it, and I was like, oh my god. But yeah, that was where it all got started. So a lot of what I know I just learned then, and then as for the rest of it, it's just stuff that I picked up over the years on my own. Like, I tried stuff out, I saw how things, what things I thought looked good, and I just kind of did more of it. But yeah, so that is the story of my first time doing makeup. So thank you, Lilith, for teaching me how to get started on all that. Oh, hello. Welcome to the editing suite. Now, in the process of editing this video, I have realized that it is too long for just one part. It was so long when I recorded it. It was literally 40 minutes, and it turns out there is a whole lot of content to cover for my entire makeup look. So what I'm going to do is split this video into 2 parts. You've just seen part 1, the foundations of my makeup look, and you should be on the lookout for part 2, the eyeshadow and the finishing touches. It's a very exciting process, so watch out in the next few days for that video. Suspense. Ha ha ha. Also, happy birthday, Lilith! My friend Lilith, who I referenced in this video, has a birthday tomorrow, actually, which is very apropos. So happy birthday. I'm super excited to celebrate with you. And thank you all for watching the video, part 1. Make sure to tune in for part 2. And in the meantime, like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I will post the link to part 2 in the description below. So come check back here if you are looking for that. Thank you all for watching. See you soon. Bye.